This conference will now be recorded.
For the training purposes, I will be recording this call, and this recording will be available to you. Right? First of all, very good morning and welcome to the super exciting world of Salesforce Lightning with LWC. Now, today is the first class. It's a demo class. Those who have attended last week demo, which was actually cancelled, technically the demo was cancelled last week, but however, because right, you guys joined, so I took certain things on the last class. For you, those who joined last class on last Sunday as a demo, will have a repetition today. I mean, we will repeat certain concept as usual, right? So you guys can sit back and relax for a couple of more minutes. I can say about 30 minutes, and then we will get into the subject, right? Now, couple of thumb rules, which I always keep telling in my class. Number one, please make sure that you keep your eyes on your mic. Your mics are very dangerous. Your mics captures the voice, whatever is happening in your drawing room, kitchen room, washroom, your neighbors, auntie shouting on the road, there is a bus, there is a truck, there is a train, everything is audible to the class. So please, if you're not asking doubts, if you don't have a question, I will definitely recommend you to keep yourself on mute. However, if you have any doubts, questions, then forget about the background. Whether there's a train noise, whether there's a rocket getting launched behind your back, no problem. You can unmute your mic and you can ask the questions, right? That's the first. Second, please make sure that you have a standard or a good internet connection, right? People who are attending the class through a mobile data, right? People who are attending the class using Airtel 598 package, 2 GB per day, 84 days, unlimited calls, unlimited SMS. If you are thinking that you'd be able to attend the class, then you're wrong. Please make sure that you have a dedicated internet connection for these classes, right? Number two, if you have any doubts or questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Remember that you're not here for what I'm teaching, you're here for what you're learning. Number three, this course would be your priority one. If you're learning any other Salesforce course, for example, you are in your development classes, you are doing Apex programming, right? That will be your priority two going forward. Going forward, Salesforce Lightning would be your number one priority. That means you will do the homeworks first on Lightning. If time remains, then you will focus on development, your Apex development or Visualforce development. All your regular classes are on number two. Why? That I will show you as we go inside, right? By the way, my name is Rupam Chakravarti. Those who are first time for me, I mean, those who are joining for the first time, hearing my name for the first time, or those who are, right? Those who are, right? Those who are, with me or listening my name for the first time. I don't have a time to go ahead and introduce myself, give my, whole background and history. But very quickly, I can update you. I'm a certified trainer. I'm a 9.8 GPA A++ trainer. Every trainer is measured in the score of 1 to 10. My gross percentage aggregate is 9.8. I'm an A++ trainer. I have 1800 official hours of training. I've taken training for Capgemini, Mumbai and Pune, Accenture Hyderabad, HCL Hyderabad and Chennai. I've taken training for Sierra Atlantic, Mindtree, and so many multinational companies I have taken training. Not only that, I'm working in a real-time environment, right, as a solution architect, right? I'm working, right, as a solution architect, right? Hence,
Yes.
right, this is my past or my profile. I'm not a dummy trainer. Your trainer is currently working and he's working in Lightning and LWC project only, right? So your trainer is not a dummy trainer. He is a working trainer. My classroom will be, right, 3.5 months from today. Remember this. Before I start anything, let me tell you, please do not get fooled in the market. People promising you to complete a lightning in 30 days, 20 days with 3,000, 5,000, don't waste money there. It's my humble request. You will learn nothing. You don't like my class, don't join my class. I don't mind. If you feel that I'm not teaching well, please do not join. But don't get fooled in the market. Lightning is a vast syllabus. Nobody can cover within 3 months also, to be open and frank. It's such a big syllabus. You guys are new to this technology. You guys don't know what is this lightning and everything. That is the reason people in the market will start playing with you. They will say, we will do it in 20 days, only 3,000, only 5,000. Come on, guys. It's a complete Salesforce course in itself. Remember that. The way you're doing the way you started your career with the consulting, then admin, now you're in development. Here also, right? It's from the scratch, even though it's full programming, but it's from the scratch. So by the end of today's class, you would be able to know what is Salesforce Lightning, why should I learn Salesforce Lightning, what is the career in Salesforce Lightning, right? Why today I already joined a course, right, called Salesforce Development, where I have already paid 15, 20,000. Why should I pay another 15,000 for this course, Rupam? What is the benefit I'm getting? Why should I pay and join here? Will I not get a job in the market? All these things we'll be discussing today. By the end of this class, you should be in a position to determine what is the career perspective for Lightning and what is the importance of Lightning in your career. Next, right, we will talk about its prerequisite. To join Lightning, what I need, is it that I need a programming? Is it that I need to learn Java or I need to learn something else before I join this program? Hey, Rupam, I'm very bad in programming. I never did my programming in my life, right? Because of your commitment, I joined the development class, right? But I'm very weak in programming. No problem, right? What are the prerequisites? We will discuss everything, right? All these will be discussed in today's class, right? I will try to make sure that you get a complete clarity between what is Lightning and what is LWC and what is Visualforce and what is Apex, complete, right? And today we will create a first Lightning component. Before you go, I will create a Lightning component so that you'll get a look and feel of Lightning. How does the Lightning work? Why it is different than other technology, right? We will start looking on it, right? So let's begin the class. I believe that should be enough for the introduction, right? Because most of you know me. It's just that couple of you who are new to me. Other than this, at least 90% of the class, knows me well, who I am and what I am, right? Now, let's get going, right? Anybody has any questions? Anybody has any questions? As of now, all your questions I'll clear later. I'm from this background, I'm from that background. Is it that Lightning is suitable course for me or not? Right. Anybody has anything? Ouch. And everybody can hear me clearly? Is it clear? Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So let's understand. Now, whatever I'm drawing now is a UI, right? The starting here is called user interface. UI, also known as UI. Now, what is an UI, right? You know that using a Visualforce, you might have created a form called as enter first number, enter second number, right? Enter third number, right? Next, right? I have, right? Let's say that 2 radio buttons, right? I have 2 radio buttons, right? There we go. I don't have a mouse here, so that's the reason I might be a little struggling hard in using my, right? The laptop keyboard, right? So I'll say greater. And then you have something called smaller. And finally, I will have a command button here in the middle of the page. And I'll say calculate. Button name is here. Calculate. As soon as you hit the calculate, the right, the result is, now there we go. I'll have an input box where a user can enter the data, right? I'll have an input box like this. Right, perfect. And then the third box, there we go. This, and I can put some logos on the top, star, something, and I can give some name, whatever it is. This is called UI and user interface through which a user will enter the data. For example, you just created a page, a form or a page where you can, our user can go ahead and enter a number there, right? He can enter certain data like 78, right? User enters 96, the user enters 14, right? He enters 14 and the user, right, clicks on greater and user clicks on submit. Immediately system will give the result is 96. Now this UI in Salesforce is also called as front end. F-R-O-N-T, front, E-N-D, front end, also known as. These front end can be developed using three technologies. 01, Visualforce, which works on, right, or sorry, classic, C-L-A-S-S-I-C, classic development, right, which works on Visualforce technology, Visualforce framework. Next, same UI can be developed with one more technology, 02, called Lightning. And the technology is called as Aura framework. Aura framework. Number 3, the last technology, right, is Lightning Web Component, also known as LWC. And the technology used is, called Java DOM framework. Java and DOM framework. So any UI in Salesforce can be built with this technology, right? Now, what is the difference between these technologies? There's a lot of difference. Look and feel as well as functionality, both are different. In Visualforce, you know that how the look and feel looks. For example, right, let me go ahead and log in, login.salesforce.com. I just log in with any one of the previous batch. Let's take OF119, right? Let me log in with OF119 batch, CRM1234 hash, right? As soon as you log in, by default, you can see that the Lightning environment opens up. By default, a Lightning environment opens up. This is the Lightning environment, you can see, right? When I click on App Manager, when I click on View All, see how neat, precise this opens up. There's a rectangular box. In between, there are small rectangular box, airline management, sales, service, marketing. You click on sales, immediately the sales screen opens up, right? I'm just trying to show you the difference. I click on opportunity, right? You open an opportunity. I just open an opportunity. You see that the look and feel is so neat and clean, right? This is the way it's looking. I take a screenshot of it. Let me capture the screenshot. Just I've taken a little bit of screenshot, right? I come here and right, let me open a Paint or a PowerPoint, anything, right? I know that everybody knows this. It's not that something new I'm showing you. Ah, Rupam, we know this. We are seeing daily, day and out. Yes, I know that. You're seeing daily in and out. Control V. That's that. This is in the lightning. Now the same opportunity, right? The same opportunity, what I will do is that I will open in classic, test opportunity 222. Now I say, I click on my name, the pick, I say switch to classic. It's the same opportunity, test opportunity 222. I'm opening the same opportunity. Now I click on opportunity, I open the same opportunity. The data is same, but the look and feel is different. It opens up, right? Now if I take a screenshot, right? Let me take a screenshot of it. You might not see that I'm taking a screenshot, but actually I am. So here we go. I just paste it, right? The screenshots are quite bigger in nature, but you see that the difference between the two. How does the upper part is your lightning, the lower part is a classic. Same opportunity I have opened in classic and lightning. You can see that this is the classic one. Control X, Control V. It looks so precise. There are stages like this. The tabs are perfectly seen. Whereas Control X, let me put in a new slide, right? Second one. See the difference? See here versus this. The look and feel. You see the buttons, follow, new case, new note, right? You see the add button. Here you see opportunity, right? Why it's going so down? Let me push it towards the up. So see the buttons and everything. The buttons are here, edit, delete, clone, and you see here the add. The lightning look and feel is much superior. Lightning look and feel is much superior. Plus, not only that, let us talk about the functionality. Lightning is a single application concept, whereas Classic is a multi-page concept. For example, I'm in Classic. I change this amount. See, I'm changing the amount value to 67,000 something. I'm going ahead and I'm changing next step. I'm going and typing meet the customer. Meet the customer. 2 steps. Remember that I have not clicked on saved. I made the change. Suddenly I remember, oh man, I have to send and I have to call the customer. I click on log a call. The previous data is lost. 67,000 and meet the customer is lost. Now a new page opens up. Every click, every action in Classic is a new page. You click on event, new event, a new page loads. The previous page is gone. Classic is a multi-page concept. That means an opportunity, the whole functionality of opportunity consists of more than 30 pages. Each click is one page. Each click is one page. You want to send an email, it's another page. You want to do log a call, another page. Create a meeting, another page. Create an event, another page. Everything is a separate page concept. But whereas the same thing, if I do in Lightning, it's single application concept. The first difference between a Classic and a Lightning is that Lightning is a single application concept, whereas Classic is a multi-page concept. For example, I go to the details. Let me do. I'm changing the revenue to 67,000. I'm in Lightning, by the way, right? 67,000. I go ahead and next step, I say, right, call the customer. I don't hit save. I go to the activity. I say log a call. See, I'm typing call the customer, customer. Suddenly you remember that, oh, I have to organize a demo also. Click on event, right? Demo, LIGHT Lightning, LIGHT Lightning demo on Sunday, right? December 18th. See, neither my log a call is lost, neither my details are lost. See, I didn't save, but the same thing you cannot do in Classic. Go and check it out. If you fill the form, you don't hit save, and you click on activity and you start registering activity, the data is gone. You are in mid of creating a call. From there, you click on new event. Your call is gone. New page is loaded, new memory. But here you see that I didn't save demo, lightning demo on Sunday. I neither saved my call a customer. I neither saved the data that I was filling. This is called as single application concept. Lightning is a single application concept. Classic is a multi-page concept. That means every action is one page. Here, all the actions are combined in one application. It's an application concept. There is a page concept, right? That is the first difference. Second difference is that in Lightning, in Classic, let's take a Classic. Whenever you click this button, the button will call, this button will call Apex program. This button will call Apex program. Here it is, Apex program. Apex class. It'll call an Apex class. All the data that you're entering has to go to the class. All the data that you're entering, right? 96 has to go. 14 has to go, right? All these choices that you're entering has to go, right? I don't have a mouse, so I'm struggling a little hard, so understand. All this data has to go to the class. In the class, there is a method. That method will calculate the data and will give the answer back to the page. So you have, right, UI separate, and this is the UI is called as client-side scripting. Client-side. These are client-side, because these are happening in the user end. And this is on the server. Where this is being executed, it is on force.com. In force.com. In the force.com, this program get executed. Here you write a class, public class, right? CLC calc. Inside that, you will declare the variables integer n1, comma integer n2. Then you will have a method, public void CLC calc is the method. Method starts, method ends. All this program you have to write, and this will work as a program, right? So here in Visual Force, what you have? You require VF plus Apex, which is nothing but server side controller. Server SID side controllers. The program is in the server. The data has to travel from the user end to the server end. Server is in Malaysia, right? The page loads. Whenever you hit calculate button, the data will travel to Malaysia. In the Salesforce server, the data will be calculated and the answer will be given back to India. Something like this. In between, there is internet disconnection. For example, let's assume that the page got loaded. After the page got loaded, the internet connection got terminated. Red line, disconnected. Will you get the answer? No. You'll not get the answer. You hit the calculate button, it'll say page cannot be displayed. Sorry, the connection with the server got terminated. There is a server is not responsive. But in Lightning, in Aura, it is different. The logic doesn't sit on the server end. The logic sits with the UI. We call them as client-side controllers, not server-side controller. Apex is a server-side controller. Here, the technology used is Aura, front-end plus Java. And this is server-side controller. No, this is client-side controller. This is client-side controller. See the difference now? That means even if the internet is disconnected, no problem, because the data is not going to the server. The data calculations happen within the client. Within the client, the controller is here, right? So even though internet connection disconnects, no issues. So controller, JAVA, Java controller, Java controller. All the logics processing will happen here. There, it has to go to the server. Here, it will be attached with the component. Attached with the component. That means all these will travel not to the server now, but the data will travel within the component. All these 7, right? When you click the button, everything will come here. 96, I'm coloring different, right? 14, right? Black going to the server. Purple coming to the client. See, you click the calculate button, it will come here. Everything will be connected to the Java controller. Even though the internet breaks, you'll still get the result. Even though the internet breaks, you'll still get the result. Because we are not depending on the server. It is not a server-side controller. The logics are not sitting in the server. The logic is within the page. Is it secure? 100%. Is it somebody can crack it? No, there is an encryption. Encrypted processing. Nobody can crack the data. Nobody can crack the logic. It's not that easy. Here, we are not waiting for server to respond. Here it is within the client machine. The data processing will happen. This makes Lightning fast. This makes Lightning efficient. Lightning is reusability of component. Once you develop a page, this button can be used 100 times once you develop. Same button. At different location I can call it. But in Classic, you cannot do that. Each page will have individual buttons. Lightning has reusability, efficiency, better UI. Today's generation, we need colorful UI. Everybody is looking for. You go to flipkart.com. Let me go ahead. Right? www.flipkart.com. You see that in the starting screen, Christmas early comes back, and immediately the screen goes Realme C25. Immediately the screen goes Realme 8S. Next, again, Christmas. The screen is moving automatically. The screen is moving automatically. All these type of beautiful UI can be built with Lightning. You cannot build them with a Classic. Even if you build them with a Classic, it's going to take huge time, huge resource. You have to use a lot of external third-party technology to build this. But in Classic, it's simple one-line. Sorry, in Lightning, it's simple one-line command. In Lightning, it's simple one-line command, which I'll be showing you how to build such type of good UI pages. Lightning is more interactive, more classy, more beautiful on look, right? Buttons are precise, controls are precise, they are efficient. Lightning is the faster way of, using it. So hence, these are some couple of differences. It's the same UI, but you can build with Lightning better. Beautiful. Same thing you can do with LWC. Both Lightning and LWC same. Again, why Rupam 222, right? So here we will be using, right, HTML as a front end. Here you'll be using HTML as a front end plus, right, modern Java. Modern Java. Same Java, but advanced Java we'll be using. Advanced JavaScript, not Java, JavaScript. All these are JavaScripts. Advanced JavaScript we'll be using, right? Here, the client-side controller is also advanced Java. Client-side controller. Client-side controller, right? This is the difference. Classic, Visual Force plus Apex, Lightning, Aura Java, HTML modern Java. These are the technologies. You will be learning here Lightning plus Lightning Web Component. These two things you'll be learning, right? These two things you'll be learning with me. It's a full-fledged course. Remember that. You're going to learn from scratch, and I'm going to take you in depth, including all real-time exposures. Real-time programming I'll start giving. Real-time programming. Those who are already in my batch, you know that. Examples that I'm giving you. I'm giving you a lot of examples in the class during your programming classes, in your Apex development. Whatever happened in the real time, I'm trying to explain in the class with an example. Same thing will follow here. With me, you will get a real-time exposure what happens with what is happening in the lightning. With this class, confidently you can put 5 years. Once again, I'm repeating 5 years that you have been working with lightning. My 3.5 months class, you can confidently put that you have worked in lightning project for 5 years. Will I be able to clear the interview? Yes, or I give you feedback. Will I be able to sustain my job if a lightning work is given to me? Yes, or you'll get my feedback. Right? These feedbacks are not to attract you guys. Don't think that it's a marketing strategy to attract you. No, it is a confidence that I want to build in you that I'm going to teach you superior technology compared to anyone else. Why Rupam is taking 3.5 months, whereas some other institutes, some other training is 1 month, right? It is the quality, because the future is lightning. Future is lightning. Let me go ahead, www.google.com. I just type a keyword called as sales. Oh, sorry, it's not typing. SALES, sales, FORC, force, developer jobs in India. I've just typed Salesforce developer jobs in India, right? Open anything. I don't mind. Let us open this persistent technology. I'm opening something here shown on my screen, right? 100+ jobs. Or go to the naukri.com. I'm opening the persistent one, see, right? About persistent company, full description, let us read, right? See, lightning component, lightning component. Anyhow, in the regular class, those who are in OF 117 batch, scheduler, batch apex, I told you guys, focus on batch apex, focus on triggers. You see that? I'm taking the trigger classes. Apex class, nothing. Salesforce is Apex class, triggers, Visual Force page, lightning components, batch apex, schedule apex, queuable apex, future apex. Those who are from OF 117 batch, OF 119, wait, will come there. That is all the life of, see, you see that lightning component is required. Is it required to learn lightning? Yes, sir. Every job you go, it will say that, right? Better to, you should have a lightning. Take any big company. Let me see if I find any other company. Genesis is there. Let's go to the IBM. I'm clicking on the IBM. See, I click on full job description, right? Full job description, right? Fully trained, compatible configurations. Let's see. Re-engineering application. What is that? Let's scroll down, right? Life in IBM, about IBM. What are the things that are required? Let us see. BTech, out of box, Salesforce CRM. They have not given any technological word or something like that. It's a generic requirement. I see. I don't know, right? Application, packages, programming, reusable objects. See, the word reusable object is used in Lightning. Reusability of a component, right? Pick up anything. Let us see which are the good companies we have. Let's go to the entity data. Senior developer entity data. I'm picking up some job randomly from your, right? Where is that? No more. Okay. See, Aura framework, Aura component. Having knowledge, you read this line, having knowledge of Lightning framework. This is became, see, knowledge of LWC will be added advantage, because these are the futures. Every project going forward, every new project in Salesforce is a Lightning project. Remember that. All the old projects are in Classic, but any new project coming up in Salesforce is no more, right? See, all these things we have learned: custom tab, custom field, validation rules. See, those who are in my regular classes, see, workflow rules, page layout, record type, lookup relationship, master relationship. See, Everything that is required for a job, I'm covering. Apex class, Visual Force page, triggers, right? SOSL, SOQL. See, those are OF117 batch. You can see if I'm missing anything in the subject or not. My classes are very precise. Whatever is required in the job, I teach only those. No, nothing nonsense. I don't do time pass in my classes. See, now you'll be entering into this Lightning application on Aura framework. You pick up any job, guys. Any job, wherever you want me to stop, I will stop. I don't mind. I'm stopping only places where you know these are big companies. IBM is over. I'm looking for something in Accenture, right? Salesforce developer, Citicorp, Pune, Citibank, right? Citicorp. See, good exposure. Read that line. Good exposure and customization based on Lightning, customization based on Lightning component and Lightning web component. It's not mandate, but everybody is asking this today. It's not that if you don't do this course, you'll not get a job. But if you don't do this course today, tomorrow you have to come back to my class for sure. 100% you have to come here. Because the future is Lightning. There is nothing in the future. The future is Lightning, right? Visual Force is going to end in another 3 years. By 2025 or 2026, Visual Force will be decommissioned. The way I started my career with S controls, which nobody has heard today. If I say, hey guys, do you know S controls? None of you knows S control. You never even heard in the class something called S control. I started my career in 2007-8 with S controls as a technology. Then we got Visual Force. The way today you're starting your career with a Visual Force and you have a Lightning framework. In 2026, when a new batch will start, they will never even know there was a technology called Visual Force. That time Visual Force will be completely decommissioned. Decommission means removed, out. Future is Lightning, guys. Once again, I'm calling it out. Future is Lightning. You take any job. You do inky, pinky, ponky, father has a donkey and you stop anywhere. Accenture, let's see, A, Noida, Uttar Pradesh, Accenture. Let's take an Accenture look, right? Same thing. You will have, right, with Lightning experience. See, here we go. Must have skills. Must have. Salesforce Lightning development with Aura. See, they want Lightning with Aura. Good have a skill on Java Enterprise. That is what you will be learning with my class. Every job you open today, I give you that guarantee and assurance that Lightning is must. So there is no other option for you, not today. Even if you decide not to join today, but tomorrow if you get a Salesforce job, you have to come to Lightning. Every project which is in Classic, they needs to be migrated to Lightning today. And you need that to migrate to Lightning, you need to know Lightning. How should I migrate? How should I do that? My class covers those. Will you show us how can I call a Lightning component inside a Visual Force? Yes, sir. You don't need to ask me any question. This is cover, that is cover. Forget the syllabus. I'll be teaching you beyond your expectations. Whatever you might be thinking, Rupam, are you covering events? Rupam, are you covering dynamic components? Right, Rupam, are you covering LDS, Lightning Data Service? Are you covering designing? Simple word. Don't ask me. I'm covering everything. So don't worry about your syllabus. Don't worry about your real-time scenarios. I'll give you so many homeworks. My classroom is dying. Regular batches, those who are there. You guys are dying with the homeworks. I will give you like homeworks here also. So many Lightning components you'll be learning, you'll be doing as a homework, right? With me, everyone able to understand? Yes or no? Right? You need to have 25% of Lightning, 25% of Apex knowledge. That's enough. I'm not looking for your Apex course completion. If you have completed your admin, 100% admin plus 25%, 100% admin plus 25% Apex development. What is list? What is set? What is map? Right? What is if else statement? What is conditional statement? While loop, right? Do while loop, for loop, what is S-object data type, what is primitive data type, right? If you have what is transactional control, what is try-catch, how to write a class, public class, Rupam, how to write a method. If you have this much exposure, then you're enough to join Salesforce Lightning class, right? We will be covering this, a complete Lightning framework. That means whatever you're learning in your regular class Apex, same thing here, it will repeat, but this time it will be not be server-side controller, it will be Java controller client side. That means, Rupam, am I going to write a logic here? Yes. The way you're writing logic there in Apex, same way you'll write here now. Both are same. That's the reason I have colored the same. But there you're writing using Apex. Here you'll write using Java controllers. Both are controllers. That is Apex controller. This is Java controller. Lightning use Java controller. Classic use Apex controller. Rupam, with a Lightning, can I call, right? With a Lightning, can I call, right? Can I call, right, my Apex control also? Yes. In Lightning also, you can call Apex control like this, which I'll be teaching you. Can I call Apex in Lightning? Yes, but actually we don't call. 99%, 95% I can say we don't call. We don't use Apex at all, right? People in the real time doesn't know. That's the reason they are dependent on Apex, because everyone knows Apex, 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 Apex. For the last 10 years, Apex has been ruling the market. What they're doing, they're building the UI with Salesforce and they're connecting that with the Apex, which is wrong. You shouldn't connect with Apex. You should connect with Lightning client-side controller. Like this, you have to connect. And I'll be teaching you full-fledged. Let me tell you once again, right? They are building UI with this and they're connecting Apex. Front end with Lightning and back end they're doing with Apex. This is what other institutes are teaching you. They don't know Lightning well. They know only UI parts and they're connecting with Apex. And you're thinking that you're learning Lightning. They are actually fooling you, right? In Thumbs Up Can, they are giving you a local cola, right? In the name of mineral water, they are giving you a Hyderabad municipal supply water they are packing and they are giving you in Bisleri bottle. Something like this you are learning. While drinking, you're not realizing it. Whether you are actually drinking a mineral water or you are drinking in a municipal supplied water in that packed in a Bisleri bottle. This is what the market is giving you, which is wrong. Remember that, which is absolutely wrong. This piece is wrong, green. No, this is not the way. We should connect, right, everything to the client side controller like this. And this should contact Salesforce. Use of Apex in Lightning is just 10%, 15%, not more than that. Otherwise, what is the difference then? Classic is also connecting to the Apex. If you connect Aura also to Apex, then what is the difference, man? It's all the same. There's nothing then. Then why should you waste your time on Lightning? But in my class, you will learn 24-karat pure Lightning classes. That is the reason what every company is looking for. Everybody is able to understand? Yes or no? Right?
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
oh yes, sir.
Right? So you will get both the courses here, right? And this will be 3 months, 3.5 months. Let me put it on the notepad. Let me put it very clear, right? So that everybody would be clear, right? Course, which I always do. Salesforce Lightning plus LWC. Mute, please. Duration 3 months, 2 weeks, 3.5 months from now, right? 3 months, 2 weeks, approximately 15 to 16 weekends. 15 to 16 weekends, right? Class timing. Saturday, your class is at 08:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Sunday, Your class is at 09:30 a.m. IST. Saturday 8:30, Sunday 9:30. Saturday 8:30, Sunday 9:30. Saturday 8:30, not 9:30. Saturday 8:30. Sunday 9:30. The way today you join 9:30. This is how the class will go on, right? Classroom, class duration. 1.5 hours to 2 hours every day. 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. Each class. That means every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, you will have approximately 3.5 hours to 4 hours per weekend. Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours, 4 hours. 2 plus 2, 4 hours. See, equal to your Monday to Thursday class. Every day 1 hour. If you join regular class also, it will be daily 1 hour. So you joining daily, you joining weekend, meaning is same, right? See, 4 hours a weekend. That means 4 days I'm covering in Saturday and Sunday. Class starts from today. Start. Today's date, right? 19 December. Do you have a class on next Saturday? Yes, sir. 25th December is not a holiday here. For lightning, no holidays. 25th December, Saturday is a lightning class. 26th December, class is on. 1st of January, Saturday, class is on. 2nd of January, class is on. Right, I'm letting you know because holidays. 15th, Sankranti, Saturday, class is on. 8th, Saturday, class is on. No Saturday and Sunday is a holiday for you. Remember that. If you're thinking that on Sankranti 15th, you will enjoy, I'll give you a holiday. No, on 1st of December, you'll have a, 1st of January, you'll go for a night party on 31st. Happy New Year. You'll shout, you will drink, and you'll come back home. Next day morning, you're at attend class. Remember this very well. There is no break. There is no holidays in this class. This train doesn't stop in any station. Remember this, right? Mode. It's only online. Rupam, do you take a class on Monday to Friday or classroom session? No, there is no weekdays class. These are all on weekends only. Why? Because Monday to Friday, you're already attending development classes. I don't want that two things to interfere with each other. So Monday to Friday, you'll be in development. Saturday and Sunday, you'll be in lightning. Again, Monday to Friday, development. Saturday, Sunday, lightning. So that you'll have class from Monday to Sunday. Right? Mode is online. Trainer, it's me. Trainer, it's me. Link, same link. Next week also is the same link class. I'm not sure, but okay, we'll keep 1 week same link. Next week also, I will join in the same link. Saturday 8:30 will join in the same link. Same link. I'm pasting it here. Complete details. Now, what you're going to learn? Number 1, lightning development. What I'm going to learn here? Everything. 01. Lightning elements. Lightning elements. That includes your lightning component, right? Lightning component. In the component, am I going to learn controller? Yes. Helper? Yes. Style? Yes. SVG? Yes, we'll see about it. Design? Yes. Right? Render or re-render? Yes. Component? Yes. All these things you're going to learn. Am I going to learn about lightning application? Yes. Complete lightning application, how this created. Rupam, are you going to teach events? Yes. I know that most of you doesn't even know what is this. Component event, Application event? Yes, both the events. Rupam, are you going to cover interfaces? Yes, sir. Interfaces? Both. I'll show you all the three. Interface with attribute, with method, with event. In event, I'll show you in depth. Event with attribute, event without attribute, event with behavior, event without behavior. No stone in lightning will be untouched. No stone in lightning will be untouched. 04. Are you covering lightning token? Yes. Are you covering dynamic LDS? Yes. Lightning data service. Are you covering the lightning data service? Yes. So I am covering the lightning data service part of it. Just give me a sec here. Lightning design system, LDS. Are you covering? I'm covering both LDS form as well as programming, including force data. I know that most of you doesn't even know what I'm writing here. I can understand that. Just to give you that confidence that I'm covering it. Are you covering lightning design system? There's another LDS. Lightning DSIG and design system. Yes. Data system, design system. Right? Are you covering lightning objects? Yes. Are you covering aura? Are you covering aura logics? Yes. What you are covering, Rupam, in that? Everything. Aura set, aura iteration, aura, right, method, aura dependency, right, aura iteration, right, aura if. Oh, so many are there. If I name it, the day will go out. Are you covering all those aura logics? Yes, sir. Perfect. Are you covering data table? Yes. All this I'm covering here. Lightning force data table, right? Data table, TABL. I'm not writing all those things. Data tile, data cards. Oh man. Once you join the class, you'll understand that how much money you're paying, you are getting 5 times of what you're paying. You yourself will feel it, whether the money that you're investing is worth or not, right? Rupam, what else you're covering? Dynamic component? Yes. Dynamic component, both components, component creation, component, destroy component, create component, identifying components. Yes. Multi-components. Yes. I'm not writing in dynamic component. There are subtopics more. You're covering all those. Yes, sir. Rupam, are you connecting or are you teaching Aura with server-side controller, Aura with Apex? Aura with Apex? Yes. Aura with Visual Force? Yes. Lightning with Visual Force. Are you covering Flexi Page App Builder? Yes. Flexi Page App Builder, right? Are you covering SOQL, SOSL in Lightning? Yes. SOQL, SOSL. Yes. In other words, right, if I keep writing, guys, there'll be a whole long syllabus sheet, which will be waste of time. Similarly, LWC. Anyhow, when we start LWC, I'll give you what I'm covering. I'm covering everything in LWC. Nobody in this market is covering. I'm beating the drums. I'm beating the drums, right? And I'm challenging that nobody can cover what I'm covering. People are copying my videos. Last class, I was showing the WhatsApp chat. Yes or no? Right? Udemy, LinkedIn. My call is getting recorded. On the call, I'm telling you. Udemy is copying my videos. My voice. You all recognize my voice now? Rupam's Exactly my voice they have there, but they have some Anandam, some name, but it's me actually. They are copying all my examples there, Udemy, and they're placing videos there. But actually, those are my videos. Udemy classes on LWC is purely 100% Rupam's class. Udemy Lightning, 60% of your Lightning class in Udemy, LinkedIn, right, is all Rupam's class. Openly, I'm telling it. Other institute, other trainers are copying my class. They're literally copying my class. They're doing it. Now it's your wish from where you want to learn. You want to learn from the duplicate or you want to learn from the original. That is your choice, right? I don't want to open again a WhatsApp and show you. Last class I was showing you, right? If I remember, did I show you? Right? Somebody come, letting me know. So this is what is happening in the market. Because you guys don't know, people doesn't recognize my voice. See, my face is not seen. I'm not turning the camera on, right? In the class, I do so. But while recording, I don't do that because it is occupying huge space. Because we are sharing the videos with you. And that occupies the whole space. And that is the reason I've stopped. I know I don't put my video cam on. Otherwise, I should have. Otherwise, people are copying my videos. So in other words, you will learn a complete lightning class with me. Remember that, guys, it is not a small topic. It requires 3 months. Indeed, it requires 3 months. It's a huge ocean that I'll be teaching you. I'm not just saying that you can put 5 years with my class because I'm giving you everything. The whole lightning I'm mixing in a water and I'm make you to drink. You can literally put 3 years you have worked on lightning or 5 years you have worked on lightning. You can confidently put end of the class. If you have a gap of 5 years put on lightning, you saying that I worked 2 projects on lightning. Interview also will be very clear, right? I'll give you interview questions. I will give you videos. I will give you code books. I will give you course material, printed course material or soft copy, whatever it is, soft copy course material you'll get. You'll get classroom recordings, right? You will get everything. Certification guidance if you want to do, how to do, what are the lightning certification available. All these are available to you, right? All these are 100% available to you, right? Got it, guys? Right? So in single word, you don't need to check what I'm teaching. I can tell you that even if you join blindly in my class, you will not feel regret. You will not feel regret that you have joined my class without knowing. You can have that trust and faith on the trainer. Once you get inside, you will see what I'm teaching lightning and how you're different from others. There's all quality difference you will learn. I am working in lightning, guys. I'm literally working on lightning. I'm not a dummy trainer sitting here. You can manage both. The people who are doing the development classes, right? You have to put your effort, right? You have to manage. What else you want? If you can't manage, then don't join now. After your what you call visual force is over, or after your development is over, then you join. Then this course will become 6-7 months. If you can invest 7 months Rizwan, then please. If you feel it's not possible, then do not join. As a trainer, I say that yes, it's possible. But as a trainee, if you feel that it's not possible, then do not join. The choice is yours, right?
Preference is given you only.
No, the choice is yours. As clear as that. Then don't join now. If you feel that you're struggling hard with your development only, then wait for another 3-4 months. After that, join my lightning class.
So if you are doing development, then is it possible that opportunity will get jobs in the market? As you told that everyone is
Yes,
demanding
it will
like,
be less. You're seeing, I'm opening in front of you. Every job
yeah.
you open, they will ask you lightning. You tell me to click anywhere. I will click anywhere. Any one of the job you ask me to click, Rupam, randomly click anywhere. Randomly. I don't know. Quest, whatever. Right? Open anything. Mute. Rizwan, your mic is like a rocket. Right? You open anywhere. Everywhere you'll see. Right? This is some how many years? over 1 month. Quest Technology, Indore. Oh, Indore also. Anywhere you open, you'll be able to see the JavaScript, right? So my class is covering everything. And yes, VS Code. Yes, I'm covering all these things. SFDX, CLI, I didn't put there. I forgot that actually, right? Are you covering SFDX, CLI? Yes, sir. 14. I just remembered. CLI, command line interface. Are you covering Visual Studio Code? Yes. 15. VS Studio Code. This is SFDX. SFDX. Are you covering Visual Studio Code? Will you be teaching that? Yes. IDE. MS VS Code. Are you teaching? Yes, it's a part of your life. Complete in simple word. You will get it here. I don't want to stress more. Again and again in simple word. I'm not here to write a whole syllabus sheet, but I can assure you that you're covering everything. In Lightning, there are another 15, 20 topics are there. All these you will get in 3 months. Clear, everyone? Anyone has any questions? Projects, there is nothing called Lightning project. Projects are Salesforce project. A Salesforce project can be deployed using Lightning, LWC, and Classic. All the new projects are deployed with Lightning and LWC. No new projects are deployed with Classic. I have a separate 3 weeks project session class, guys. 3 weeks project session class. 3 weeks. There, I'll teach you Salesforce project. As well as if you want to deploy using Lightning, those who are Lightning, they will deploy the project using Lightning. Those who have not joined Lightning classes, they will deploy the same project using Classic. I told you already in the diagram I was drawing. Same UI. You can use Classic, you can use Lightning. I can develop my front end in both the ways. So yes, indirectly project is also a part of your syllabus. You can deploy the projects. Anybody has any questions before I start moving to the subject line now? Anybody has any questions?
Rupam, if Visual Force is vanished, then Apex also get vanished, right?
No, Apex will be there. There are certain controls, right? Mostly Apex will reduce them. It will not vanish. Right? Apex we still need for integration. Whenever a Facebook is sending a request for API, for SOAP, REST, we need Apex. They are not yet on Lightning. We are still dependent on them. For executing an SQL query, we still need server side. So there are 25% requirement is still there. So it will not vanish completely. It will be there, but use of Apex will be reduced a lot. 75% usage will reduce. As simple as that. Getting it?
Okay. Okay.
So I will not say that Apex will vanish. Apex will be there, but functionality of Apex will be reduced in the future. Right?
Rupam, is
Perfect.
there any regular batch other than weekend batch?
I already told you. Why are you repeating this? Didn't I
Because
already declare?
I have completed
I
in
already.
109 batch.
So fine, then you should have joined,
At that
earlier
time, I am
batch.
unable to join.
So fine, then you have to now put 3 months. There is no
Oh,
regular batch. It is only weekends, right? There is no
okay,
Monday to
Rupam.
Thursday batch. It is only on weekends, Saturday and Sunday, right? So
Oh,
don't miss
okay.
the batch. I'm telling you to all the new guys. If you miss the batch, then you will be facing problem like him. When time comes, you have to join on time. Remember that if you miss one train, then you have to wait for 4 hours or 5 hours or at least 1 day for the next train, right? The same thing here. If you miss this train, the next train will be after 1.5 months or 2 months. From there, you have to start for 3 months again. You are in the right time. This is the first train, catch it. If you say no, finally you have to come to the railway station. I know, not today, by tomorrow you have to come. You'll go to interviews. You will see that they will be asking Lightning. You'll come back. Then again you learn Lightning, and then again you will go for interview. Rather than doing this, it's better that you learn right now. That is what my key ask is. People with 10 years experience, I will definitely recommend them to go by Lightning so that you can cover up your experience more. People with 10 years experience, I will definitely recommend them because we need senior people. We need skilled people for the Lightning going forward in the project. So yes, you can. I told you 5 years you can put, see, 50% of your experience is already covered here, right? And I believe that you can do this all. Lightning is not that tough. You just need to have a trainer to teach in-depth Lightning. 5 years experience, I'm giving you that confidence. So by this, you can understand that how depth I will go down. Because when you say in the real time, you have a 5 years experience, then they will expect from you a lot. That means when they expect from you a lot, during this class, you also will expect a lot from me. And I will live that expectations. Clear, everyone? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Rupam.
Yes, sir.
Right? Everybody in my class should be writing notes. 100% Ranesh, there is a best scope for freshers in Lightning. If you say that you have learned Lightning and you are saying that you have exposure of Lightning, the knowledge, then the freshers have much more advantage because company wants Lightning, whether fresher, because in Lightning, even experienced people doesn't know Lightning. So in front of Lightning, right, even a freshers plays a vital role. Right? Now, in my class, everybody will be taking notes. Remember this. Now, let's understand, right? Your Lightning development, how did it came, right? 2007, the UI technology was called S-Control, which nobody has heard. I told you I started my career in 2007 with S-Controls. 2010, Visualforce came. It's 11 years now, Visualforce age. Age of Visualforce is 11 to 12 years. Visualforce is now dying. Very soon, Visualforce will get a corona or it will get a heart attack. And you have to admit Visualforce to emergency. You will try your level best to give oxygen, ICU and everything, but Visualforce will die. Because Visualforce has become old now. The new bacha in the market is Lightning and Aura, which was born in 2015. But that time, no company was willing to adopt this new technology. Everybody was comfortable with Visualforce. That time, Lightning technology was not that great. They used to use Paradot Lightning, which is a different set of Lightning. It was very difficult. Company who implemented, they struggled a lot. Then, right? Then Salesforce realized that the Lightning, which was released in 2015, is a baby born with mental disability. Baby was handicapped baby. Nobody was willing to take that baby. Then Salesforce went ahead, called some expert doctors from the world, right? They did some operations to the baby, right? And all the legs, hands were attached to the baby. And in 2018, Lightning became a usable. During that, because of the failure of Lightning in 2015, the baby failed because of this all, defect. Salesforce started building Lightning Web Component, another technology, parallelly. They want some backup. They started building LWC. They stopped because Lightning is using a technology called as Aura. Aura is a third-party technology. It's not a Salesforce technology. Today, Aura is free framework. It's a freeware. It's a free framework. But today, WhatsApp is free. Any guarantee that tomorrow WhatsApp will not be free? People who have been using WhatsApp for last 8 years, if you have observed, somewhere 6-7 years back, you used to get a notice as soon as you click on WhatsApp or tap WhatsApp saying that 99 rupees per year. Have anybody seen that anytime? I have seen. Have anybody seen in the past that it says if you used to show in a green color 99 rupees per year WhatsApp? Did you see that anytime? Anyone? Anyone
Yes,
in the
sir.
class?
Yes.
Right? Used to come for few days. For certain days it came. Right? Anyone else other than somebody said yes, sir? Did you see? I know that new generation would have not seen. Avuna, ila kuda unda. But you're from the new generation. The older generation, I can say about 6-7 years back, right? Did you see WhatsApp used to come with 99 rupees per year? Other than one person, did anyone else see? No one?
I have seen, sir.
You have seen this one. Very good. But after
No,
that, it
sir.
didn't appear, right? After that, It didn't appear. Nobody knows. The new generation is hearing for the first time. వాళ్ళు ఈ మాట ఇప్పుడే వింటున్నారు. అవునా, WhatsApp is to charge? Yes, sir. WhatsApp from the day one it entered free, then in between. 1 minute, guys. Sorry, right? WhatsApp was chargeable in between, then they removed it. Today, WhatsApp is free. What is the guarantee that tomorrow it will be free? Today, you built up, let's assume that on a WhatsApp platform, you built a telephony, making calls. You created a software using Android, telephony software, where one user can call a landline number in another country using WhatsApp. Today, it's free. But tomorrow, if WhatsApp charges, then whatever the software that you build will be charged additionally. Today, you built a software on WhatsApp. Your platform is WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp, you can have landline dialing. You can call any number in US, UK, Australia, right? Saudi Arabia, Japan, any country, any landline number you can dial. You will just charge $2 per rupee. People are happy. Everybody is using WhatsApp free, so they're buying your software. But tomorrow, if WhatsApp start charging $10, then what will happen now? They have to pay you $2 plus they have to pay WhatsApp $10. Total $12 they have to pay. Same thing is with Aura. Aura is a free framework today, but nobody knows tomorrow Aura will charge or it will not charge. That is the reason Salesforce came up with LWC. Free, complete free framework, Java and DOM. Future is LWC and Lightning. That's it. If Lightning doesn't charge, Aura doesn't charge, then it will be lifelong free. If Aura charges, Aura tomorrow Aura became from freeware to freeware to payware, then we have LWC. Same thing, similar. That is the reason every time you see Lightning and LWC, they treat them as right Sham and Ram, Karan Arjun. Mere Karan Arjun aayenge. Both are like a twin brothers, right? Both are backing each other. This is what the technology is today. So, right? Because I told you when Lightning was launched, it failed. Nobody was there to adopt it. Then they started building one more technology called LWC. Parallelly, they called the doctors, they repaired the Lightning also, Aura. And they introduced both now, Lightning and LWC. Every company is using Lightning and LWC. Certain things they're using LWC, certain things they're using Aura. What is that? When to use LWC, when to use Aura? What is the difference between LWC? What is Aura? All this you'll learn slowly. But whatever the market demands, both are available. This is what the class will be covered. Perfect. Now, whenever we say Salesforce Lightning, there are two things, right? Let us write down the definition. Start writing. What is Salesforce Lightning? If somebody asks you, Lightning is a collection of, start writing guys, take out your notes, separate notebook. I'll be giving you notes, but very small notes. Lightning is 99% practical, 1% theory, right? So start writing. Couple of times I'll give you theory also. So that time you have to write. Otherwise in Lightning classes, very rare of Lightning writing works. Only programming, which I'll be doing. And I'll be doing live programming. I'll not copy paste from anywhere. I hate copy paste. I will practically write each and every program in the class practically. You tell me to write anything else, I'll do that. Tathastu. In my class, every scenario is covered. So don't worry about it. Perfect. Now write down Salesforce Lightning. What is a Salesforce Lightning? Lightning is a collection of tools and technology. Lightning is a collection of tools and technology. Lightning is a collection of tools and technology to provide significant upgrade to Salesforce platform. Lightning is a collection of tools and technology to provide significant upgrade to Salesforce platform for better user experience, efficiency, and reusability of resource. Reusability of resource.
Can you repeat it again after
Yes,
significant?
it's there on the screen. I'm repeating the same line what's there on the screen. Lightning is a collection of tools and technology. So lightning is not one concept. Lightning is multiple concepts, multiple tools. It's not one tool. Like there is nothing called single tool called lightning. No, lightning is a framework. Framework means technology. It's a collection of technology. Couple of technologies are mixed together. The way I told you, JavaScript, CSS, XML, Apex, Aura. See, so many technology are mixed together. Lightning is a sambar rice. It's a khichdi. It's a mix of everything. So what is lightning? Lightning is a collection of tools and technology to provide. What is this collection? This collection is to provide upgrade to Salesforce platform. What type of upgrade? Better experience, beautification of the screen, efficiency, faster, reusability. Once I write a button, I don't want to write again. Reusability of a component. One component written can be used 1,000 times. At 1,000 places, it will work differently. See, reusability of resource or reusability of component or reusability of an object. Whenever you hear the word called reusability, immediately you have to understand that it's lightning. I've just shown you. I'll just show you that, right? One of the requirement where it says reusability of an object, right? That is called as, right, Salesforce Lightning. What is Salesforce Lightning? Salesforce Lightning is a collection of tools and technology to provide significant upgrade to Salesforce platform for better user experience, efficiency, and reusability of resource with a single application concept. Reusability of resource with single application concept is called Salesforce Lightning. Is called Salesforce Lightning. Right? Salesforce Lightning has 3 elements. Number 1, Lightning experience. Number 2, write down. Salesforce Lightning has 3 elements. First element, Lightning experience. Second one, Lightning component framework. Third one, Lightning design system. NOT, notepad. Let me open. Whenever I say Salesforce Lightning, what is Salesforce Lightning? I'm writing it here. Salesforce Lightning. It's a collection of tools and technology, right, to provide significant upgrade to Salesforce platform for better user experience, efficiency, reusability, and single application concept is called Salesforce Lightning. Salesforce Lightning has 3 elements. Number 1, Lightning experience. Number 2, Lightning, right? Lightning framework, component framework or framework. Lightning component framework or framework, anything you can say. Lightning component framework or framework, Lightning framework, meaning is same, right? If you want to write, you can write it, COMPONE, Lightning component framework. Next, third one, Lightning design system. Lightning, Salesforce Lightning consists of 3 elements: Lightning experience, Lightning component framework, and Lightning design system. Start writing. Put a heading called as Lightning experience. What is the Lightning experience? The UI part, write down, the UI part of Salesforce Lightning is called Lightning experience. The UI part. What is a UI? Screen through which user interacts. User interface. The UI part, the visible part, the visible part of Salesforce Lightning is called Lightning experience. The UI part of Salesforce Lightning is called Lightning experience. For example, where is that? Let me close all this. No, right? I go to classic. I'll show you what does that mean. Yes, leave the page. When you go to Classic, what it says, switch to Lightning experience. It doesn't say switch to Lightning. They are using a word called experience here. Switch to Lightning experience. What is Lightning experience? When you click on switch to Lightning experience, it will take you to the UI. It will take you to the Lightning UI. This is a Lightning experience, a UI through which you can feel the Lightning. You can look and feel. So what is Lightning experience? The UI part, the look and feel part of Salesforce Lightning is called Lightning experience. Next, Lightning component framework. The development part, the development of single application concept. The development of single application concept. The development of single application is called Lightning component framework. Right? Lightning component framework has 5. Write down. The development of single application concept. The development of single application concept. The development of single application concept. The development of single application concept is called Lightning component framework, or the development part of Salesforce Lightning is called Lightning component framework. Lightning component framework has 5 Lightning components. D. Lightning application. C. Lightning event. D. Lightning interface. Last one, Lightning token. Lightning framework has 5 component, application, event, interface, token. Write down, it's there on the screen. Again, component is divided into 8. Number 1, component. Number 2, controller. Number 3, helper. Number 4, style. Number 5, re-render. Number 5, re-render. Number 6, design or documentation. Number 7, right? DSIG design. Number 8, SVG. Right? Everyone. Clear? Now let me show you practically. What is this? Right? Currently I'm in one of the logins, so that's okay. I click on setup. I click on developer console. Let it load. There we go. I click on file. I click on new. Can you see here all those? Application, component, interface, event, token. See, these are the 5 Lightning framework elements we have. Now I click on component. I give a name. My first lightning components. My first lightning comp, I gave a name. I click on submit. You will get two. First one is a description. Close it. Second one is a framework. Here you can see elements. These are the bundles. These 8 are called bundles. Lightning component, these are vitamin, whatever I'm showing you down is called bundle. Lightning component bundle consists of component, controller, helper, style, re-renderer, documentation, design, SVG. Now, same thing you can see here. Component, component, controller, helper, style, documentation, re-renderer, design, SVG. Component, right? What is the extension? Component, what is the extension? Let us learn this. Whatever the name you give, name.cmp. What is the programming we do here? We do here aura, whatever programming we write, aura, comma, HTML, comma, lightning. What actually you do here? This is the place of designing the page. All designing of the page, UI, designing of the page / UI, you do it here. This is the place we do. This is the place we do. Name.com. In this, what type of programming we write? We write aura programming, HTML programming, lightning programming. Rupam, what is the use of a component? This is the place where you design the UI. Logos, pictures, boxes, buttons, text box. Where you do in the component. Next, controller. Name. After that, system will add a controller keyword. Name controller.js. Extension is JS. Name controller.js. Let me do one thing. Let me push this all a little bit that side because I don't have a space. All right. I'm running out of space. So I'm trying to create little space. Right. Everything is same. Right. Name.js. What do you write here? Here, what is the language you use? We use JavaScript. What is the use of this? To write logics, calculations, processing. The way you use Apex, same thing is here, controller. There in classic it's Apex, here it's controller. Next, helper. Right? Now I'll show you practically. Now I click on controller. You'll see that it comes my first lightning comp controller.js. That's exactly what I gave you. After the name, system will add a controller keyword. It'll add a controller keyword. See, this is an extra in the name. This is an extra it'll add. Controller keyword. See? Next, helper. Wait, you'll understand everything. It's a first class, no? So little bit, it'll go tough. Right? Now you have a helper. What is a helper? Let's do that. Mute, please. It'll be name. After that, mute, sir. Please mute. Guys, somebody's mic is unmuted. Please check. Right. Name helper. That means here also .js. Extension will be JS. Here also you can see that system will add helper. What do you write here? What type of programming we do? JavaScript. What is this? Common logics. What do you write here? Common logics. Helping controller. Whatever there are common programming in the controller, that means 2 Apex class, 3 Apex class, same program, right? We write here. For example, those who are in OF 1117, my send email again and again, send email again and again. I'm calling every time. If you remember, everywhere we can write them in the helper, and I can use it again and again. I don't need to write every time. Program which you don't want to write again, and you want to use it, we put them in a place called helper. And by this, we will do it all these things. Once I start doing it, you'll understand. So now just understand on the top part. Next, style. Name.css. CSS. Whatever the name you give. What type of programming we do? We do CSS programming. What is this is useful for? For styling. STYL is style. To apply style. To apply colors. To apply size, colors, we come to this. And here, see, I go here and I click on style. You will get my first component.css. I will write the program here. Don't worry. Everywhere I will write the program. I will show you how to write the program. Right? My CSS. Next, re-renderer. I'm clicking on it. Here you write a JavaScript. Again, what is that? Right? Re-renderer. Name. Right? System will add re-render. R-E-N-D-E-R. Re-render. .js. It's a JavaScript. What type of program I write inside it? I write JavaScript inside it. We write JavaScript inside it. What is this useful for? For loading, initialization, INI. Whenever you want to initiate, at the time of initialization, if you remember OF117 constructor initialization. For any, when the page is loading, I want to show a happy birthday, good morning. As soon as the component loads, automatically system should show good morning. Then we use this re-render. Initialization, loading. At the time of loading, you want to write any program, we write in re-render. Next, documentation. .auradoc. Name.auradoc. That is the extension. Name.auradoc. See, I click on documentation. I will get name.auradoc. Wait, it's coming up. See, name.auradoc. Auradoc. Name.auradoc. Auradoc. Whatever programming you do, XML, Aura. What is this is useful for, Rupam? Asal, what is the purpose of this Auradoc? To maintain documentation. To maintain documentation. What this component is, what is the purpose of this component, which are the tables this component is dependent, where this component is used, all those documentation you'll put here. Next, design. Next, design. Let me go ahead and click design. Right? Name.design, no more, not used in real time. Name dot design. Design is the extension. Whatever program you write, CSS, XML, HTML, we all write. What is that? For preparing design, for design, designing background. You see that there's a background, you can do with this. Why we don't use? Because we have a lightning design system available today. This design is not used. I will put a star mark in front of it. In current scenario, they are not used. In current project, they are not used. Doc, right? Re-render. Currently, we don't use. Rupam, why? Because we have another function available called init. We have a replacement for this. SVG, we don't use. Scalar vector group, we don't use. These are unused today. What is that SVG, Rupam? Right? Name.svg. Scalar vector group. Name, whatever the name you give, .svg is the extension. Whatever program we do, vector programming, SVG programming, CSS, XML, HTML. What is this is used for Rupam? We use this for creating icons. Icons, button structure. We don't use it. For creating icons, for creating buttons. Today we have Lightning Design System, which I'm coming there. What is Lightning Design System? See, I'll go to www.google.com, type Lightning Design System, LIGHTNING, Lightning DESIGN Design System. Select this. Go to the first one, lightningdesignsystem.com. See, create world best enterprise app. Here you have everything, guys. Buttons, design, utilities, tokens, icons. See, I told you we don't use SVG because all these icons are available. It's a design dictionary. It's something like Asian Paint color catalog. You want to choose color your house. You want to color your house. You can go to the Asian Paint website and they will give you all type of colors available with them. It's something like a catalog, a booklet. Here also it's a booklet. See, I'm scrolling down. It'll be so big booklet. See, these many icons are there. I'm still scrolling down, guys. You can choose. You don't need to create these icons. You can directly use them. Wherever you want, in a button you want icon, on the top you want icon. See, come on. You have the world inside it. You have all designs, design tokens available, beautiful colors, backgrounds. See, I want this color, I want that color. All you can choose, like Asian Paint color catalog. You can choose the color. See, no Rupam, I want to make my own color. You can make it. No Rupam, I want to check the color from here. See, it's like a Asian Paint color catalog. Berger paints. I want a pop-up box. I want an app launcher. I want to change the app launcher. See, how to change the app launcher. Everything is here. How to make square box, rectangular box, round box, everything. Hey Rupam, I want this app launcher to be like this. See, bend. Can you see one bend? How can I do that? I want this, all these features. You can do it. Complete badge, avatar. On the top, you see Salesforce logo. One round. I want this type of icons. W, E icon. See, people, double icons. How can I use it? You imagine everything is available here. See, I told you, you want like a Flipkart. One after one, it has to go. See, it'll go like this. We'll use this. Next, it'll go the next one like this. It'll keep on moving. One after one. One after one, it'll keep on moving. One picture, the next picture. One picture, the next picture. The way you see in the Flipkart carousel. Everything is available. Check boxes, check buttons. I want how the beautifully buttons you want. I want a plus, minus. In place of check, I want plus. I want minus. Right? Check. See, after you check, enable, disable. I want disable to hide. See here, it's hidden. Something grayed out. Coming up. All these icons, buttons, design guidelines. See, everything is available. Everything is available. How to build this structure and everything. In simple word, Lightning Design System is a catalog. See, you want this dot as if it's processing. See, like this. I will show you how to use all these things. That is the reason I told you in my class you will get in depth. You can't even imagine how much I'll be teaching you. As of now, you're outside the water. You don't even know what is the water. So you see, right? SVG is not used creating icons because they are available in LDS, Lightning Design System. Designs are not used. Why? Because they are already available in LDS. There is a catalog available, design system. We can pick up anything from there and we can implement in Lightning just in a few seconds. Re-render is not used. Why? Because I have INIT. We'll talk about it. What is INIT? See, these programs you will run. Do you see anywhere Apex here? That is the reason we are separated this course from your regular course, because I will not do Apex programming here, guys. Absolutely, we will not do Apex programming. Completely Aura, HTML, Lightning, Java, CSS. I will do this programming only. In this class, these programming. With this, we will control the complete Salesforce. You can't even imagine that with this, we can completely control the Salesforce without Apex. And that is exactly what you learn with me in Lightning. And we want everyone want this lightweight components. We don't want heavier components which take time to load, right? Again, you click a button, it take time to go ahead, get the server data. We want a lightweight product, lightweight components which can flow through even with a low bandwidth internet. It should be able to flow. Everything, Avinash, filters, gilters, you don't need to ask me, okay, please. I told you, don't even need to type this topic side by side. Everything I'm covering, right? We will show you how to go ahead and write a query for the filters, how the data has to be visible, how much data has to be visible, how to control everything. You will learn beyond your expectations. I don't know what expectations you have come to this class, but 100 times beyond your expectations you learn with me in this class. Lightning component, right? This is component bundle. We will use each one of them as we go inside. How to write a controller, Rupam, I'll show you everything. Now today we will learn a basic component. Basic component. I'm closing it. Once again, I'm starting. File, new, Lightning component. I'm giving a name, right? My component, my com. I'm giving a name. Rupam, what are the checkboxes? We will see later. I click on submit. It creates two. One, it creates a description, close it. Come to the framework. I will simply go ahead and put star, 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 star. This is my first Lightning component. Star, 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 star. I want to put them in a bold tag. I will use HTML. B tag. I will put this right. Control C, Control X actually. I'll put it inside the bold tag. It'll come in bold, right? Then I will put a paragraph tag. I'll give a paragraph tag. And then I will say Lightning button. I'm writing a Lightning program. Lightning button. Label. Label equals to submit. Variant equals to success. Wait, it'll give you a green button. Icon name equals to, let us go ahead to the LDS. Let us click on, go to Google. I say, right, Lightning Design System. I go to Google. I go to the lightningdesignsystem.com. I go to the icon, right? My icon loads. Tell me which one you want. Anything we can pick it up. Which icon you want, right? This person, approval. Let's pick it up. Control C, approval. Approval is under utility icon. Now I come here. I picked up this approval icon. Icon name equals to utility. Approval. Automatically that icon will come. Variant. Rupam, what is this variant? If you say success, green button. If you say brand, blue button. If you say destructive, red button, which I'll show you in the next class, right? On click. If somebody clicks on it, what should happen? Exclamation C dot, call me. Rupam, it will call a function. How are you writing like this? All these things I'll explain today, just simple. So you click a button, immediately system will call me. Where is that call me? Controller. Is it in Apex? No, it is in the controller. I go to the controller. I come here and I change the name. If you're not able to understand also, not a problem. See, call me is here. I will say what? Alert. I'm just displaying a JavaScript today. Simple, alert. Hi guys, this is my first button. This is my first lightning button. Control S. I have written the program on the controller. All the designings I'm doing in the component. That is what I told you. I went to the component. In the component I'm designing, I'll place a button in the component, but when you click the button, call me. Where is call me? Call me is a controller. I'm not writing an Apex program. I'm writing a JavaScript to display a message. See, call me will call. Rupam, what is this function? What is the component event? Everything we'll see in the next class. Basic button, basic component, control S, save, right? This is, I created a component, and behind the component, I have written an JavaScript, an action. It's not a server-side action. It's a client-side action. Nowhere I'm using Apex program. Now, Rupam, how can I see the output? File, new, Lightning application, my app. We will create sophisticated app, guys. I give a name called as my app, submit. As usual, here also you'll get a description, close it. Rupam, why I'm getting 222? We'll discuss in the next class. Now, call your component. See, what is your component name? My COMP, my comp. See, I'm calling my comp. This is the comp that I created. My comp means my component. Now I'm calling inside the app. I can call 1,000 components inside the app. One app can have 100,000 components. Again, a component can have component. It's a reusability. I will say extends to Force SLDS. Force SLDS, Salesforce Lightning Design System. I'm extending my app because in this component, I'm using utility.approval. From where it's coming? From the designing system. So I use it. Now here you have a preview button. You see, preview. There we go. Your first Lightning component is coming up, loading. This is my first Lightning component, and there's a green button with the icon, right? With a submit button. You click on submit immediately. Hi guys, this is my first Lightning button. This is my first Lightning button. See, I come here, I change. I come here, I come to the component, and I change from success to brand. Variant equals to brand, and I say Control S on the keyboard. Variant equals to brand. Next time you come and refresh this page, the button color will change from brown to blue. Now I come and change variant equals to destructive. Variant equals to destructive. I save it. Come and refresh the application. You'll be able to see a red button. Rupam, I want purple, I want black, I want green, I want gray. I want button to be certainly designed. See, this is a lightning button. This is my first lightning button. You click on it. Hi guys, this is my first lightning button. Guys, ocean is waiting. This is nothing. This is absolutely less than zero, I will say, not even zero. Whatever we did is less than zero. All these things you learn with me, Sudhir. Wait, why so hurry? From where I'm getting the variant? What are the different types of variants, right? You are writing label, you are writing variant, you're writing icon name, you're writing on click. What else can be there? Where can I get it? Relax. That's what we'll start from. Today it is just a demo class to show you what is a lightning, what is a purpose. Rupam, where can I use it? Can I put this in account page? Yes, you can. You can put this button in account page, contact page, passenger page, everywhere you can put it. I want to put it on the tab. I want to put there, here. I want to call this page with a tab. I want to call this page inside a account. Yes, everything I'll show you. Nothing, including deployments, including create a new flexi page, flexi tab. Everything you will be learning with me. Right? No, it will not go for approval. Vijaya, It is just an icon. అంటే లోగో మాత్రమే అంతే. If you click on it doesn't mean that it'll go. నాకేదో నచ్చింది. Okay, broadcast. Utility.broadcast. Chalo. It is just an icon. It's a label. See, I said utility.broadcast. Next time when you come, right, you'll see that the icon will change now. It will no more submit icon. It will be a broadcast icon. It's an icon. I can put the label as Vijaya. Vijaya button will come. Label equals to Vijaya, right? Variant equals to destructive. Icon name equals to utility:broadcast. Automatically next time a button will come Vijaya with broadcast. I can increase the size. I want the icon to be after Vijaya, not before Vijaya. I can do that. I can do everything. I can increase the size of the icon. I can increase the size of the button, left and right. I don't want the icon to be on the left. I want it to be right. Can I do that? Yes. See, Vijaya. Hi guys, this is my first lightning button. All these things we will learn. This is simple component I've shown you. Minus 50 as of now. Not even 0. Right? So next class onwards, same link. The link remains same. Right? The link will not change. Please contact the institute. If you want to continue, please register with them. Capital Info Solution. Please contact Capital Info Solution. People who have already taken as a package, they all are fine. There shouldn't be a problem, right? People who have not opted as a package, right? You have to go and join because it's a separate course. So please contact your admin. If you're from Capital Info, if you're from other admins, please contact your admin, right? And next week, I'll keep the link same. Next week onwards, we will start your lightning development. Today, this is enough. If you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot, right? This is called lightning component bundle. Salesforce Lightning is divided into 3 elements: Lightning Experience, Lightning Component Framework, Lightning Design System. What is Lightning Experience? The UI part of Salesforce Lightning is called Lightning Experience, right? What is Component Framework? Development part or developing a single application is called Lightning Component Framework. There are 5 elements: Lightning Component, Lightning Application, Event, Interface, Token. Again, component has bundle. What are the bundle? In bundle, it consists of 8 bundle elements. What are those? Components, controllers, helper, re-render, documentation, design, SVG. Right? What is a Lightning Design System? Start writing. Right? Salesforce predefined design library. Salesforce predefined design library to build. Write down. Salesforce predefined design library to build sophisticated enterprise app is called, once again, Salesforce predefined design library to build sophisticated enterprise app is called Lightning Design System. Is called Lightning Design System. Is called Lightning Design System. Guys, everybody is able to understand? Yes or no? Today's class, is it clear or it's bouncing?
Yes, sir.
Anybody who feels it's bouncing? It's a very interesting class. Remember me, I mean, right? Every day you will have beautiful, right, designs, class. It's complete programming. And don't worry about people who don't know programming, people who don't know Java. Don't worry. You don't need to learn Java. You don't need to learn anything. I will teach you from the scratch, from zero. So you can keep that faith on me that Rupam's class will not bounce. He will go from zero. See that today I'm going from zero. I will still go from minus. Then I will come to zero and then I will go to plus and then I will take you to 100. 3.5 months you'll be with me going forward. and extensive course coverage. Once again, I'm repeating, whatever the money you're paying, towards the end, you'll realize that intaki inte cheppada. This is the word you'll feel. Ayyo, he should have charged more. You will literally feel it. Now you're feeling, Amma, 15,000 kattala. Today is you're feeling like this. But once you join this course, you'll learn this. Then you will learn to know why Salesforce is going for Lightning. So what is the purpose? What is the importance of Lightning? Right? Every step you will feel it, that Lightning is superior than your classic development. Right? And you will get all real-time exposure. I'll give you a lot of tasks. Every class you'll get a 3-4 tasks for the week to do. Right? That's it from my side, guys. Let's meet on next Saturday. Saturday 8:30. Saturday 8:30. Sunday 9:30. I don't want any confusion on the time. Every Saturday 8:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Every Sunday 9:30. Right? The class is in 2 different time. So next Saturday, don't think it's 9:30. If you join at 9:30, half class will be over. Saturday 8:30 a.m. Everyone, thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.
Okay. Thank you, sir.